Hello friend. Hello friend. In this tutorial, you learn about the how to design a funnel. First of all, you all know that we have to first of all you have to decide the plane. Okay, this is the first of all decide the top plane. Actually, funnel sketch is that. You have to draw the sketch after the deciding the plane top plane. Mm, this is the line. You just see that. First of all, you had to create the line from the sketch command, and this is the this is the arc. Okay, this is a semicircle from here to here. You have to take the radius of 30 of 30 mm, okay, from both side, and the radius of this side is a small dimension. Click. This radius is 58. Okay, the radius. After that, creating the sketch on top plane, you have to create the hole at the center. First of all, you have to create the center line from here to here, center line. Okay, center line. Then create the circle of dimension of diameter 25 mm. Okay, at least 12.5 this dimension. You have to enter that. Okay, 25 mm. After that, you have to create another plane. Okay, you have to take plane on that. Select plane. You have to select plane from here, feature section, then okay, plane, because I have to create another circle from here now, that's why I have to create plane. Then come to the feature, and for lofted boss command. Okay, we see how the lofted boss command is used in that feature. You see from here one circle at that plane of you have to create. Then again, after creating, then come to this loft command. Loft command from here, this face select and this sketch. Okay, then click OK. This create. After that I want to create this hole from, because I want to this is the funnel now, that's why I have to create hole from here to here. Okay, the cell command is used. The cell command is here. First of all, you have to create that. After selecting this feature, after selecting that feature of this cell feature, you have to select the face. Okay, and this face select. The thickness of this cell is 2 mm. Actually, internal thickness is this, that's why. After that, you have to select OK. Okay, you see the cell. Okay, now come to this another feature, the cut extrude. This feature, cut extrude feature, extrude cut. Okay, now I have already designed this part. In this video, you see you see this type of cut extrude is designed here. Now come to this sketch of this design. What feature I am using that. This here to here, this sketch line from here to this distance, and this line, semicircle is that. and this semicircle. Okay, this is the arc, this is the also the radius of this arc is 3.50, and let's come to this point. After that, creating this sketch, you have to create the extrude cut. Now see, now my funnel is, if you want to change the color, here you have to change, you see, you have to change the color. See, if you are coming to this photo view 360 is the render part. Okay, now come to this render tools. If you want to do an integrated preview, then you can check. You see, it takes some time actually. Now this time I pause my video. This I have to select the gray color. That's why the render is in the gray render done in the gray part. If I want to change the color, then come to this point here, edit appearance. Now come to this point, you have to select here, then okay, then integrated preview. And see, this color looking good. Okay, and thanks for watching my video actually. This is the complete tutorial of the funnel. Okay.